Unraveling, lay it out for me, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase, lay it out for me. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this one is crucial for achieving fluency and confidence in English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Lay it out for me is an idiomatic expression used to ask someone to explain something clearly and in detail. It's like saying, please, make this understandable for me. This phrase can be used in various contexts, whether you're discussing plans, ideas, instructions, or even feelings. The key aspect here is the request for clarity and detail. Let's break down the components of lay it out for me. Lay, in this context, means to put or place something down carefully or systematically. It refers to the subject or information being discussed. Out implies spreading something or displaying it openly. For me, indicates that the explanation or display is being requested by the speaker. Combining these elements, the phrase metaphorically asks someone to spread out the details before the speaker in a way that's easy to understand. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few scenarios where it might come in handy. In a business meeting, when you need a clear explanation of a project plan or strategy. During a classroom lecture, when asking a teacher to further elaborate on a complex topic. In a casual conversation, when you want a friend to detail their story or plans for the weekend. Tips for using the phrase. Be polite, adding, please, can make your request sound more courteous. Pay attention to your tone to ensure it matches the context, more formal in professional settings, and relaxed in casual situations. Let's look at some examples to see how lay it out for me can be used. 1. In a professional setting, I'm not quite sure I understand the new policy. Could you lay it out for me, please? 2. In an educational context, this equation looks complicated. Can you lay it out for me step by step? 3. In personal conversations, I heard you're planning a trip next month. Lay it out for me. I want to hear all about it. Understanding phrases like, lay it out for me, not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to express yourself clearly and understand others more effectively. We hope this video has laid out everything you need to know about this useful expression. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.